Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your cabin air filter in a Jeep Cherokee. First, you'll need to locate your glove box. You'll also want to have a small flathead screwdriver and your new cabin air filter ready. Make sure your replacement filter is the correct one for your vehicle, as sizes can vary slightly. This process is straightforward and can significantly improve your air quality. Now open your glove box. Gently push in on both sides to release the upper stops. Then, detach the two lower retaining clips, allowing the glove box to swing down. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm, carefully disconnected. This will give you full access to the area behind the glove box, where the filter housing is located. You'll now see a rectangular cover, which is your cabin air filter housing. Unclip it and carefully slide out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the side of the old filter. This is crucial. Take your new filter and ensure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Slide the new filter into the housing. With the new filter in place, securely reattach the housing cover. Next, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Carefully align the glove box and push it back into its original position, ensuring the upper stops engage. Finally, close the glove box to confirm it latches properly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.